All right. So I am about to make, for the first time, this jalapeno popper cauliflower casserole that I got from the awesome website I Breathe I'm Hungry. So this is my first time making this, so I have first assembled my ingredients. And I'm going to start by chopping this guy up and mixing these ingredients together. So, and then you're going to puree them in I'm going to use my Ninja. So I will show you that. But anyway, I'm super excited to try this. So trying to be organized, got my ingredients out for each stage of the casserole, and I am going to start. I finished step number 1, which was to chop up the head of cauliflower into small florets and put it in a microwave safe dish. And I realized I probably need more microwave safe dishes. I actually don't have that many like big ones. And then you add a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. 1. Gosh. The heavy whipping cream makes everything good, hey? Anyway, I've tried lots of recipes from this website, and she always has really, really good things on there, so I'm super excited to try this. I needed something a little different. I've been eating like my green beans and my cauliflower, my buffalo cauliflower for the last couple weeks. So now you're just going to put this in the microwave uncovered on high for 10 minutes. So that is what I'm going to do now. Okay, so please disregard my gross pyrex dish. It's not actually dirty. You know how it is. It just has a whole bunch of previously baked goodness stuck to it. Anyway, so the cauliflower just cooked in the microwave for 10 minutes on high, and then you give it a little stir to coat in the butter and the heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to put it on for about another 6 minutes. Another 6 minutes, and this time I will do it correctly. I never put things in the microwave that long. I usually just push the number 1 button and let it go. All right. So my cauliflower is out of the microwave. It's pretty tender and it's steaming. So now what I'm going to do is add this to my Ninja. I haven't actually used this in like a super long time, so hopefully it works, because what you're going to do is make a puree out of this. So you pour, woo, that plate is hot. You pour this in here. Probably going to spill it everywhere. Oh, golly gee. Pouring it in. I know this is super exciting, right? Woo! My gosh. There we go. Get a little grippage on there. Nothing more I like better than cauliflower. So you put that in there. I've got a tablespoon of chopped jalapeno. Pour that in there. That was the same spoon I used for my heavy whipping cream. And then you've got a 1/4 cup of cheese. It recommended like sharp cheddar. I think I just had regular cheddar. So I'm throwing that in there. And then a little bit of pepper, just to taste, and salt as well. I don't know if you guys can see over here, but while this was cooking in the microwave, I have also prepped my bacon for the week. The bacon was on sale at Sprouts this week, so I've got to get a teaspoon. Hold on. So it was on sale for, I think, $3.99 a pound. So, of course, I bought like almost 5 pounds of bacon. And now I'm like, oh, I got to freeze the bacon, but I don't want to freeze like all it in a big chunks, and I got to sit there and separate it. Or I just got to eat it. Maybe that's the better option. But anyway, I've got a whole bunch spread out there. I haven't had Sprouts bacon in a while because it's kind of expensive. So I'm excited. So I've got that there, and I'm going to make One other thing with bacon this week, I'm going to make this cabbage. So I might show you guys that as well. So just cabbage with onions and bacon. So good. All right, so I haven't used this in a while. I'm going to get a spatula, and I'm going to puree this baby up in my Ninja, which was another gift from Reggie. I think it was a Valentine's Day gift as well. Same with my KitchenAid mixer. All right. Woo, yeah. It's working. It's pureeing. Excellent. Maybe this thing just needed a rest. I think the last time I was using it wasn't working very well, but it looks good. Nice. So if you didn't have the Ninja, you could just use, I'm sure if you had a food processor, if you had a blender, you could even use your Mix Master. I'm sure you could mix it up pretty good. Gosh, I kind of just want to eat it like this right now. It's got like the cheese. It's got some garlic in there. Ooh, it smells super good. It's got the jalapeno. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, it smells really good too. So it looks like this now. Probably not too appetizing on the camera, but a little bit of a puree. So I am going to wash my one Pyrex dish that I have in this size because I think this is what I'm going to bake it in anyway. And then I'm going to preheat my oven as well. So I'm going to do that and I will be right back. I have now started preheating my oven. I was wrong. You actually bake this at 375. So now I'm going to make the next layer, which it says you've got to soften the cream cheese. So I'm going to put that in the microwave for, I'm going to cook time 45 seconds at power level 6 and soften that up and then mix it with this cheese. This is a half a cup of shredded cheddar and then a quarter cup of the salsa verde. So that makes one of the layers of the casserole. So I'm going to mix that up now. Oh, I'm so organized with my little towel. Look at this little mess here. But I have 2 towels. All right, so I am going to mix that up. All right, so my cream cheese is super soft. I have also now sprayed down my, overused casserole dish and with avocado oil spray. I think it's avocado oil spray. Yes, that. Love it. All right, so now you need a quarter cup of the salsa verde. And you mix that into your cream cheese. Oh my gosh, this is going to be really good. I'm super excited. And then a half a cup of my cheddar cheese. And you mix that up. And it says in the directions it should be spreadable. So this looks super spreadable. This looks super good. I love the smell of like cheese and salsa together. It's so good. All right. So now I get to put it together. So what you're going to do is, like I said, I've sprayed my little casserole dish, and I'm going to take the puree, and oh my gosh, it's going to be so good, and put it in the dish with my, again, my handy spatulas that I love. I bought some new things at Sprouts today, too. Actually, I bought this almond dip. I'll show you guys. I used to buy this almond dip when we lived in Arizona at the Costco. There was like this awesome, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, it was like the best, I can't remember. It had like a swear word in the name of the dip, I think. It wasn't that like hell of a dip, but it was something. Oh, like something bitchin' dip or something, I think. But anyways, like an almond jalapeno dip or something. It was so good. And I haven't been able to find it since we moved back to Oklahoma. Actually, they used to have it at Natural Grocers, and then the Natural Grocers closed down. I probably don't need the dip because I love dip with pork rinds. But anyway, I did go ahead and buy this dip. Do you like how I'm going off on this complete tangent? That has nothing to do with the casserole making, but it's this. So I'm kind of excited to try it. I'm probably going to have a little bit tonight. Okay, so I have spread the puree in my overused casserole dish. And now you are going to you're going to spread this on top, the cream cheese jalapeno cheddar layer. Oh my gosh. So then you spread that on top of that. Oh my gosh. I'm probably going to like marry this casserole. It's so good. It looks so good. So this will be like my side dish for the week. It looks like a serving of this is about 336 calories. So I will either have like one whole serving as a side with like bacon for some of my meals, or sometimes I do just like half a serving, and then I can have more other stuff. Oh my gosh. Again, using restraint because I just want to like lick the spoon. All right, and then you top with, let me see here, or until the cheese is, what does it say? Spread the warm cream cheese mixture, and then top with a layer of shredded cheese and sliced jalapeno. So that is what I'm going to do. It did say to use Colby Jack for the top, but I just only had cheddar, so this one's all cheddar. All cheddar, all day. Oh, love it. Been a super busy day. It's been a good Saturday, though. And I'm thinking about getting a new car, so I've been test driving cars, and I don't know. I love my 2007 Kia that I've had forever, and his name is Arthur, and I'm kind of sad to let him go, but I feel like I could use something maybe that's not manual and just a little higher tech, I guess. A little higher tech, is that the word? But anyway, I've been looking, so I test drove a few more cars today. I'm getting closer to deciding, but I don't know. Anyway, there we go. There is the casserole with the puree layer, and then the cream cheese layer, and then topped with the cheese and the jalapenos, and it looks like I'm going to bake this for about 20 minutes at 375. So I'm super excited. I will show you guys what it looks like when it's done. And now I might move on, I think, to making the cabbage. So I'll probably show you guys that too. And then I have some leftover mushrooms that are going to go bad, and I'm thinking about making a quiche. So I might do that too. Golly gee, though, I don't really need all this food. But anyway, it'll be all good. So I'll show you guys this in a minute. And there is the finished jalapeno popper cauliflower casserole. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. Looks so good. I just want to like dig a spoon in right now.